Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 479 Star Drop opening. And now that it's after Halloween, it seems that we're back to the regular amount of Star Drops, or we don't have double Star Drops anymore, you could say. So, let's see what we have.
Rare.
Starting with a rare of 20 bling.
Rare.
Enter a rare 50 coins.
Super rare.
And a super rare 50 power points is alright. And again, I was literally just about to announce this, so I'm glad it's on the page anyway. But again, if you guys haven't figured it out yet, the Brawl Stars World Finals is going on. Again, today was day 1. If you weren't able to tune in live, I'm sure you can watch the recording of it if you care more about the esports side of it rather than the rewards you can get in game. Otherwise, again, for the first day, it looks like the maximum amount of points you could get was 1,000. I pretty easily hit that. In fact, I think it's 100 per correct prediction. So, again, I'm not going to show this site here, but I got 10 out of 12 of the predictions right. So, again, I don't follow esports too closely, but from what I have seen, apparently I'm able to make some pretty decent predictions based on what I know about the teams. And again, I'd definitely say the two that I got wrong were what you declare as upsets, based, again, on what you would assume. But, again, 10 out of 12 gives me the guaranteed 1,000. I did tune in a little bit, but I didn't have a whole lot of time since it is Friday, which is also a day that I was at college. So, again, I just tuned in as much as I could. But I have a lot to do still. But anyway, with the World Finals comes free rewards. And it looks like I only have a few. I definitely unlocked a lot more, but again, I'm guessing there's so many people on the website that there's going to be a delay in the rewards being distributed. But the first one I got was the pin, just from making the predictions in general. I didn't even know it had a little animation, but that's neat. And again, I'm going to try and save the Star Drops for the Mega Star Drop opening, or as I like to call it. Again, it's not an official thing, but you know, it's nice. Also, the one thing I will say as well is I think there's still a maximum amount of unclaimed rewards you can hold in your inbox. I think it's 20. So I'm going to keep trying to claim the pins each time I get them, just so I can hopefully hold them all in my inbox until, again, the last day of the season, which is in 5 days anyway, so it shouldn't be too bad. Again, in the mode selection, we have Volley Brawl Pancake, as well as Zombie Plunder Walk In, Walk Out. And we have Knockout 5v5, Riverbank Crossing. Nothing else too special really going on here. Again, a reminder, we're getting rather close to the end of the ranked season. I was surprised how easily I was actually able to get it this time around. I don't know, I guess I just got rather good teammates, so that was pretty lucky, especially considering how little time I have. And by that, of course, I mean, again, I'm just really busy. Anyway, let's hop into the shop here. This video episode shouldn't be too long, again, because I imagine there hasn't been that much change. We do have the championship player icons and pin set in the shop, so that's different. But we still have dead boxes if you guys wanted more of those. Again, they could potentially have something worth more than the gems you're spending, but I personally wouldn't. You can if you want to, but I don't think they're necessarily worth the gems that they're showing here, unless you get really lucky, of course. Like, again, if you buy the 79 and you just so happen to pull White Wolf Leon, which is an offer again.
We can do this!
Again, they must have noticed people really wanted that offer, something that they'd bring it back again. So, again, definitely try and get in on that if you can. Or potentially Hoot Hoot Chili would also be one of the better offers, just considering the rarity value and the discounts. Again, I'd probably hold off on buying the newer skins just because they don't have any discount to them. Let's see, so we have some value offers for resources in the game, but again, I can't. $7 for more PowerPoints? Who needs more PowerPoints? I'm getting so close to 100,000 PowerPoints. But again, We also have the Brawl Stars Championship 2024 winners of Zeta having their W Otis skin in the shop. Again, full price, I might add. I don't know that I've ever seen these skins not at full price though. I do have the Zeta, I believe it is also Zeta, right? The Gus skin from 2023, if I'm not mistaken. But again, I think I bought that at full price, and well, these aren't technically seasonal. I believe they still are exclusive, and you probably have to buy them at full price if I'm not mistaken. Again, if we go to Otis in the catalog here it is. Yeah, you can clearly see that W Otis is not something you can just buy, so again, it might have something to do with an agreement between the championships, or they just want to keep it exclusive. I don't know, but again, there's not necessarily a rush to get it because it's never on discount, at least not that I've seen. But if you want it, it's at least here for the next 2 days, or it's here as long as the championship's going on, which is also for the next 2 days. And again, if you want to get those free star drops, and there's 3 pins, I believe. I think I just said star drops before. I forgot the pins even existed. But if you want them, just tune into the Brawl Stars Esports website and watch along to get additional points. Or again, if you're, I could say like me, but again, I still don't even know that much about the teams, and you get really good predictions, you could possibly get enough points to just not have to watch at all, depending on how well your predictions go. But you definitely get more points from watching. I'd say as many as twice as many points, because at the end of each match you can vote for the MVPs on the team, and that gives you an additional 100 points as though you made a correct prediction. Plus you get points for like pressing the little icons during the matches, and you get points for answering random questions. So you could just get a lot more points from watching, as you guys can imagine. So that's the incentive there. And again, I would actually have more points, but they actually locked it to 1,000 for the first day. So you guys, I believe it's up to 2,000. Tomorrow is 500 points max, and then the third day is also 500. So if you want to get that hypercharged star drop, you at least have to watch on the third day. And I don't even know if you could get that many points on the third day, but they're definitely making us stick around for the whole thing, which I don't think was the case last year. And maybe they realized that and were like, we lost a lot of viewers towards the end there, and they're trying to get us to stay on there. Again, once I get the actual hypercharge, I don't think I'll stick around as much as I'd love to. Again, I'm just so busy. I do find the Brawl Stars esports scene rather intriguing, though, considering I play the game quite a bit. I'd like to up my game, as you will. Anyway, I have a daily freebie of 60 XP doublers, as well as 15 coins. And again, not really all that much else going on. So as of today, I have 3,468 XP doublers and 99,731. And again, if you didn't know about the esports, don't feel like you shouldn't just because you missed out on the first day. You could definitely still get all the rewards starting on the second day, because it's not like they get rid of the 10 awards initially. And again, considering the amount of points you can get while watching, I definitely say you can get them all starting day 2. I don't know about day 3 possibly, but you could still get a lot even just from watching on day 3, even if you don't get all of them. So again, if you guys are making predictions ahead of time, let me know how many you get right. Or I guess you could technically switch in between on the wrong ones afterwards, which is another chance to get more points back. Again, just a lot of value in actually watching the actual championship. But yeah, I think it's been pretty good so far. So again, let's see how far I can take this, guys.